It's important to clean up FunctionFox monthly. For some of our bigger clients, like Associated Salt Lake, when we don't clean up projects, meaning archiving projects that are complete, then the project list gets quite long. It's harder to find the current projects that you're working on. Make sure that anything that has been completed is marked complete, and then in FunctionFox it will allow you at that point to archive it. So typically what I will do is kind of start at the top. I'll just go through each client, specifically the billable, and some of them we haven't touched in quite a while. So these jobs here, you can see they're all on hold. I think some of those are probably dead. So these are from 2018. I'm going to say these are dead, and if they come back, we can always unarchive them. So what that'll allow me to do is hit this archive button here. So right now we basically have nothing that we're working on for Affiliated Foods Texas. Nebraska, there's no projects. So the big ones are Salt Lake and Harmons. So Salt Lake, you can see we have a lot of projects in Salt Lake. I know for a fact a lot of these are actually done. These are a lot of the B's tail list items, and we've already got those through and produced. So how you assess that. So QUO 385. So I'll go to Decorix Job Reporting and I'll just search up here. And you can see immediately it's in Decorix completed jobs right here. I don't even have to go to the sheet. So that one I know has been completed. So the B's business cards, you just change this to complete. You'll get the box. Here's another type 2, QUO 466. So I'll go back to Decorix Job Reporting and I'll put in QUO 466. Search. So this one says it's still in Decorix Job Reporting. Here it is. But I can also see that it was sent to Design to Engineering. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and you can see that it's actually sitting down in billing. So we did complete this one. Oh, it has already been marked complete. Mike's aisle markers, QUO 481. So I'll come in here, 481, do my search. So this one's still in customer approval design. It is not done. So this one I could even just put in customer approval. Lynn's Hurricane False Wall 535. This says it was sent to engineering. It's incompleted, so that one I can mark complete. You just go down through there, and then once you complete them all, then you can archive them all either with these boxes, or you can go to Archive Projects, and everything that has been signed complete shows up in here. And so an easy and fast way to do that, to archive them all at once, is you just click the top box and it's going to archive everything in this completed project. So you hit OK, and you can see how Drew, he really keeps Rainbow up to date. So I'm just archiving a bunch of stuff right now. We had a lot of projects that were waiting on being archived. So now we're all cleaned up. And again, you can always go back and de-archive something. So if you just hit the de-archive project, you get a search feature. And so any of the projects you could look up with the search, and then you can always just de-archive it. And that will put it back in for designers to clock into. You will have to move from the complete status to in progress. A designer will not be able to clock into anything that's incomplete on their timesheet. So you'll have to make that change as well. So that's really all it is going client by client, looking at the list and making sure that we're closing out jobs that we're done with or that we know have died. This Thrifty Dayton from 2017, it's been on hold. It's probably still on hold in Decorix Job Reporting. That's probably why I haven't closed it out yet. We can check 15,966. So you go back, put in 15,966. We'll search. You can see here it is into Quarks job reporting. It is on hold, but this is so far back that if we do start it again, I wonder if they would even, we would probably have a whole new project. So this is one where I feel like we could probably just say in FunctionFox at least put it as dead. Same with this roulettes. It's been a number of years. So, but it is probably still on hold into Quarks job reporting, which is why I haven't closed it out yet.